Well, first I flutter my eyelashes.
Excellent.
Then I get to flutter my eyelashes. Then I'm gonna flutter my eyelashes too.
Hi guys, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back here again with another lash haul, y'all. This is Ardell again. This is going to be the mini series of Ardell pretty much. So these today are going to be coming from the double up lashes and the mega volume. Before I get into anything, you guys already know, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to leave a comment below, and don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there as well. So let's get on into this haul. I think I'm gonna like this collection, so let's get into it. So these are the style from the double up collection. These are the 207s. So starting out the gate with the double ups, and this one, let me look at her a little bit closer. We're gonna see what to expect. Now, this one's not bad. It has that little fluttery. It's really piecey though. It's really long in a way. These are not bad. Yeah, these are not bad. These are not as silky. These are a lot thinner than the other ones. And the band is stiff, more stiff. It's like that kind of plasticky band that I can't stand. I'm rhyming again. I keep rhyming. Anyways, this band is okay. I don't care for it. These don't really say much on the Ardell. I wish they really did. The hairs, how they do come out, is really pretty. It's not silky. It's a little bit like that plastic feel. These are not too comfortable. I can feel these a little bit, but they're okay. They're not unbearable. At least they're not like a huge thick band with a lot of fake lashes on it. Like, I don't care for it too much. It's just too plasticky and too stiff. Y'all, now I'm gonna say this right now. What in the hell am I gonna do with these lashes? What am I gonna do with these lashes? Do you see these things? Do you see that? Look at that. I look like a cartoon character. These are not for my eyes, as clearly as you can tell. So I'm very like, I'm angry. I put them so close to my lash line. I've got them in there. They look clownish. This, if I walked outside like this, just fight me. Like, what are we doing? Literally, like, this don't look right at all. I'm mad because I grabbed these. Okay, guys, these are the 203s, by the way. This ain't it. This made me mad as hell. Like, literally, what is this? That makes me mad because in the packaging, I said, well, that band, I don't know. But the curl of it, see, if it wasn't so thick at the band, see the curl at the top is cute. See, that's cute. This ain't cute. That is insane. And then these, baby, these are, girl, these is crunchy plastic. Oh, don't do this. Don't do these. Literally, girl, I'm scaring myself. Look at that. This is not for my eye. I think if your eyes as big as hell, or like just so much space, your brows up here, so much space, that will work if you like those curly cues, but this don't make no type of sense. Y'all, this ain't it at all. Like, girl, I hate these. I do not like these. These are the worst. Even far away, I look crazy. Look like I got black eye. Like, it looks like I have a black smoky eye. Like, this one's even more stiff. You can see plasticky. It's so, girl, just plastic mama. Girl, these are plastic, like paper or plastic, please. This double up line so far has not been the greatest. The lash bands are not it. This one's even. These are the 210 double up pair. These are a little better, a little bit, but I don't think I have the eye shape for a lot of these. I think these are just a little too big. I don't got enough eye space, maybe that's what it is. Or maybe the eye shape as well. These are okay. Are these softer? These are a little bit softer, but that lash band, sweetie. This lash band for the 210s is plasticky. I don't like the lash band. Come on, dang. Okay. I don't like the lash band from Double Up collection. I don't care for the lash band. I just don't. This band is not comfortable. The curl is extreme. Maybe these look good with makeup on. This curl at the end is gorgeous. This is pretty. It's kind of a little spiky. It's kind of irritating the inner part of my eye, but the outside is beautiful. Very, very beautiful. I do like the curl of it. The curl and the fill is a little bit softer, but that lash line is horrendous. It's really, these lash lines from the Double Up, she's not cute. This is okay, but I still feel like I see, look, just smoky eye. Can't even tell it's a lash. It's like, oh, your shadow's pretty. Like, it just, I like to see that you can tell I have a lash on, and I feel like these are just, see, they look cute again when your eyes kind of closed, but who's walking around with their eyes like this and closed unless you're half asleep or pissed? This is a lot better than the other ones, but this one was okay. The curl's cute, but that's about it. All right, guys, so now we moved on to the next collection, which is a mega volume. These are the style 259s. This is what I'm talking about. All right, Ardell, you reeled yourself back in. I said, these are baby lashes for me, but these are cute baby lashes. Only thing is I may have to cut this one again. It's flipping, it's driving me insane, but that's okay. These are very soft. These are feathery. I like these. These are pretty. These are just real wispy, feathery. They're very feather-like. And they're really, really soft. They did it with this one now. I don't get the volume out of what they're talking about. Maybe that's the feathering of that. I don't get the volume, but I have to admit, these lashes are sexy. These are really kind of, they're just a little bit like, these are attractive. These are very attractive. You put these on, again, like I say, y'all, put these bad boys on, a little mask. What you know? It's just cute. Very flirty. Very, very flirty. I love that. I love these. These are the style 251, I believe. Yes, 251 in the mega volume. These are cute. These have that curl like that double up, but it's not as thick and too full as that double up. The band on this one is thicker than the first one, the ones that were fluttery, but these definitely do have that thicker, fuller band, but I'm not mad at it. It's not too bad. These soft a little bit, but they are kind of on the plastic side, but these babies is curled. They're not too thick at all, but they are curled. Like, look at that. Curly cute. These are very cute. Now, they're a little bit stiff, but these are still cute. I can bear with these compared to the double up. But this curl is intense. It's like a small, almost a medium curl. But it's cute. It's very different. It's nothing like I have in my collection so far. So this will be added as well. I like them. They're going in my pile. All right, guys, last pair but not least, these are the 254s from Mega Volume. These are cool. These are very long, spiky. They look like they got about 2 layers, thicker spike and then a lighter spiky up there at the top. These are very see-through, so you can see right through them. I like when they do that. I was not expecting these to be kind of as longer as they are, but I'm not mad at it. And I see the 2 dimension in there. It's really cool. Do you see that dimension? Yes, yes, that's good dimension. These did end the collection really, really well. I like these. These are going to be added to my collection. That completes my collection lash video today, and I hope you did like the lash haul. I did enjoy it quite much. And also, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. As well, do not forget to leave a comment below, and don't forget to hit that notification while you're down there as well. Again, thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things, and you guys already know what I'm about to say. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Bye.